going to show you how to put your DualSense controller in pairing mode so you can connect to your PC or other devices through Bluetooth, right? You hold the create button and the PlayStation home button at the same time. Hold it, and then you're going to see the controller touchpad start blinking. Yep, see, it's blinking. That means it's in pairing mode. Then what you do on your PC, and obviously you have to have a PC or a laptop with Bluetooth enabled, whether that's through an adapter or it comes natively in your PC. Then you just go to your Bluetooth settings, which I'm going to do now. So now on your PC, you could just type in Bluetooth in the search bar, and let me just put my controller in pairing mode so it can actually detect it. Hit add Bluetooth device, add a device, hit Bluetooth, and you'll see the wireless controller input. And there you have it. It's good to go. You can obviously connect it directly through USB, USB-C. It'll do the same thing. And to just test it out to make sure the controller is at least being detected, you could just type in controller and set up USB game controller, go to advanced, well actually properties, and then when you hit the buttons, you should see the inputs being read. So that's how you know it's actually being detected. Here's the thing though, not all games seem to be picking up the controller. The PC is picking up the controller right now through the inputs, but that doesn't mean that all games are going to pick up the inputs and read it. So far, I think I've heard like Dragon Ball Fighters works with it, Destiny 2 works with it, but a lot of the main games I've played don't seem to pick it up.